Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today, we will start our new chapter in geography, that is, chapter 7 Life in the Desert. So, when you think of desert, the picture immediately is place covered with sand. But basically, it is not like that. It is difficult for anyone to live in places where there is no water to drink, where there is no grass for the cattle to feed on, and where there is no water to help the crops to grow. We will now learn about the places in the world where people have learned to cope with extreme harsh temperatures, in some places as hot as fires and some as cold as ice. These are the desert areas of the world. These are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation, and extreme temperatures. Depending on the temperatures, there can be hot deserts or cold deserts. We will discuss them here separately. So, first of all, the hot desert, that is Sahara. The Sahara Desert, covering a large part of North India, it is the world's largest desert. It has an area of around 8.54 million square kilometer. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries, that is Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Sahara. So here is the geographical location of Sahara Desert which occupy these countries, as you can see here in the picture. So comes to the climate part, that is, the climate of Sahara Desert is scorching hot and parched dry. It has short rainy season. The sky is cloudless and clear. Days are unbelievably hot. The temperatures during day may soar as high as 50 degrees centigrade. The nights may be freezing cold with temperatures nearing 0 degrees. And also, you will be surprised to know that present day Sahara once used to be a slush green plain. Cave paintings in Sahara Desert shows that there used to be rivers with crocodiles, elephants, lions, giraffe, ostriches, sheep, cattle, and goats were common animals. But the change in climate has changed it to a very hot and dry region. Now comes to the flora and fauna of the Sahara Desert. It includes vegetation, cactus, date, palms, and acacia. In some places, there are oases, that means green islands with date palms surrounding them. Camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpions, many varieties of snakes and lizards are the prominent animal species living there. So, here are some pictures. Comes to the people of Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert has been inhabited by various groups of people who pursue different activities. Among them are the Bedouins and Tuaregs, who are nomadic tribes, rearing livestock such as goats, sheep, camels, and horses. These animals provide them with milk, hides from which they make leather for belts, slippers, water bottles. Hair is used for mats, carpets, clothes, and blankets. They wore heavy robes as protection against dust storms and hot winds. Basically, the oasis in the Sahara supports settled population. Since water is available, the people grow date palms, crops such as rice, wheat, and barley and beans. The discovery of oil in Algeria, Libya, and Egypt transformed the Sahara Desert. The cultural landscape of Sahara is undergoing change. For example, gleaming glass cased office buildings, superhighways are replacing the ancient camel paths. Tourists are seen acting as guides to foreign tourists. More and more nomadic herdsmen are taking to city life, finding jobs in oils and gas operations. And do you know how these oases are formed? These oases are nothing but the depressions that are formed when the wind blows away the sands. In the depressions where underground water reaches the surface, and then these oases are formed. These areas are fertile. Sometimes people may settle around these water bodies and grow crops. Also, sometimes the oases may be abnormally large. Tafilate Oasis in Morocco is a large oasis with an area of about 13,000 square kilometer. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.